Welcome to Junnediya Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Qayyum sir. Okay, now the institute database is ready. We have created 3 tables: student info, fees and exam. Now let us create a query by using the design window. Right click, design view. This dialog box says how many tables you want to add to the query. I will add them all. Click it here, click it here. So student info, yes, one extra table you see here. Let me delete this one. Okay, now how to join them? By using the common field, that is roll number. Click to this roll number field and drag up here and release it here, like that. Drag from here and release here. So this table is the master table, and this is a fees table, is a child table. We are connecting it using a common field called roll number. Now come here, what data you want to show using the query. Here you select the table student info, and then here I will select roll number. Here I will select roll number, student info again. Here I want the name of that student. Now here I want fees, and here I want the amount. The table name is, say for example, example, and here I want result. Next, these check boxes show, they tells that I want them to show. Now that my designing of the query is over, I will close it. It is asking me, do you want to save? I say yes. I will give a query name, that is STU, student query, that is whatever the name you like. Click on OK. The query is ready. So this dialog box is showing that there are 3 tables and 1 query. Query name is STU query. Now double click it. It will show you the records, matching records from the master table to the child tables. So this data and this data is coming from the master table, that is the student info table, and amounts is coming from the fee table, and the result is coming from the exam table. So this is how the query is fetching you, is giving you the records you want. The query fetches the records you want. Now I will close this one. Okay, now we have created the table in student info, fees and exam. Our database is ready. Now let us go to forms. Let us design a form using the create form by using a wizard. So double click it here. A wizard is a step-by-step help from the software to finish a task, to complete a task. Now our task is to create a form. It is asking which table you want to use in the first step. So I said in student info, all the fields are here. So what I will do, I will take one by one from there. Otherwise I can do one thing. I will click to this button, all the fields will be added, selected. Click on next. Now here it is asking which type of table you want: columnar, tabular, pivot table, chart. There are so many, so I will select columnar and I will click to next one. Here there are some style which you can choose from. This is the style I think I will select. Click on next. That's all the information it needs. You just click on finish. The form will be ready. Look here, the form is ready now. Maximize it. This is the form, and these are the buttons. the first record is being displayed automatically. Click here, the record number 2 will be displayed. 3, 4, 5, like that. It says there are 5 records. This is a table created automatically using a form creation wizard. Click it here, close it. Now click to forms. You will see that the form student info has been created. Now let us go to reports. Let us design a report. Let us do by using the same wizard. Now this same wizard will help you to print a report. So what do you want to select? Student info, all the records, and then click next. What type of reports? Do you want to add any grouping? I said no. Click to next. Then which type of ascending and descending do you want to sort the order? Whatever it is here, I will say by first name. Ascending is here. Now click to next. What type of reports you want to? Columnar, tabular, justified. I selected tabular. Portrait is the size orientation of my paper. Click next. So the style, whatever style you say, casual. I will click on finish. So the report is ready. The data you see on the screen will be printed from the printer as you see on the screen. This is how to create the report. Close it here. You will see anytime you can go back to forms like this. Anytime you can go back to reports like this. Now this is the report. Now anytime you can go back to query like this. So this is all about Microsoft Access Database. This is remember, this is RDBMS, Relational Database Management Systems.